Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see use Azure Log Analytics and scheduled updates. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, so this is where we left. So I'm going to click on Home. So one more scenario. So recently, let's say your department moved all of their infrastructure to Azure. There are many virtual machines serving up websites and email functions. You have been tasked to keep these VMs up to date with the latest patches and security releases. Okay, so considering this scenario, we onboarded the update management solution for the VMs in our enterprise. So in here, we will review the agent connectivity to log analytics and learn how to schedule update deployments. Okay, so let me go to my VM. Let me make note of the IP address and let me do RDP. And here I paste the IP address, the public IP address. We all know how to connect, right? I'm going to enter the username and password. It will take me to my server, which gives me my welcome screen, and in few seconds it will take me to my desktop. Okay, okay, here it is. So, and I will open up the control panel on this server. Here it is. Takes me to the control panel, and I will look for Microsoft Monitoring Agent. Here it is. I click on it. And if I click on Azure Log Analytics, this is my how do here it is. Oh, it's frozen. This is my workspace ID. If I click on Edit, this is my workspace ID. And if you would uh, see the message, it says the Microsoft Monitoring Agent has successfully connected to the Microsoft Operations Management Suite service. Okay, now if you click on OK to close this, and if I go to the administrative tools and launch the event viewer, and under applications and service logs, go to the operations manager. Okay, I click on operations manager, and this is the event ID, and sort it with event IDs. Now if you would observe, the event ID is 3000 and 5002. Let me see. Mm, they're not coming. It says the computer has registered. What do I get here? Anything? If I filter 3000. Okay, see. It says adding a new online service management group. Okay. And if you would go search it for 5002, management group has received new configuration from the service. It is successfully. So this is where you confirm that it is connected to the workspace. So if you would go to the portal, here's your portal, and if you go to the update management and a guest plus host updates, now it will open up that options that you will get after onboarding update management. You see schedule update deployment, enter the update name. So you can type, oh, let's do this. Let's cover up this in the next video. Okay, I hope you liked it till here, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.